Wow, over 585 million coins of Terra Classic has been destroyed in the past 5 days. 585 million coins have been taken out of this supply. Now, I hope, though I believe that they've really tried, but destroying 585 million is still worth it, because if you take a look at Terra Classic, you know that in the past few days, Terra Classic has been losing a lot of in terms of price, in terms of trading volume, in terms of market cap. But if they can still burn up to 585 million coins in 5 days, I believe that this is good for Terra Classic. But like I said before, Luna, it will be difficult to destroy 10% of the supply they have. Yes, it's difficult because we are even, the Terra Classic is yet to burn just 1%. So, and 1%, it actually taken Terra Classic over 1 year and 4 months to burn just 0.80%, which is not up to 1% of the supply. So, it simply means that for we to destroy 10%, it might take Terra Classic more than 5 years. Okay, yes, it might take Terra Classic more than 5 years, but if it is based on the current level of burning, then definitely it will take Terra Classic over 13 years to burn just 10%. And this is one of the major reasons why I believe that Terra Classic will find it difficult to reach 0.01. Okay, yes, to reach 1 cent. It's been extremely difficult to reach 1 cent as of the time of recording this, because the trading volume, many Terra Classic holders are no longer holding. A lot of people have actually sold out. Some people have actually invested in different cryptocurrencies, and while others have really given up. So you can see that even the market volume really dropped. It will be difficult for us to see Terra Classic trading volume hit $100 million again. It will be difficult to have $100 million being traded on Terra Classic in a single day. So most times we'll be seeing just between 10 to maximum $50 million trading volume. And I am very sure that even though with Binance burning, Binance supporting, Binance controlling the largest part of Terra Classic market cap and the trading volume, it will be difficult for LUNC to really pump again. So for me, I don't think Terra Classic should be ranked among the top coin one need to hold. Terra Classic does not worth it right now, because even if you decide to keep and hold it for a very long period of time, you might end up having nothing. But for those that have invested before, for those that who must have lost some money on Terra Classic, these are the people I can tell that, well, you might still hold Terra Classic coin, because it is not good for you to just sell out everything. You might end up losing more money. So the main thing here is that if you really want to buy Terra Classic, you need to mind the kind of money you want to invest. But for those who invested earlier, who must have lost some money, who are trying to recover, don't just sell out everything. Okay, don't just sell out everything. So many people are still holding Terra Classic. If you take the number of holders compared to like before, they're almost the same, which means it looks as if people are not even selling out. The wallet are still, but just as many people have sold us some percentage of their holding. Okay, which means let's assume I'm holding 100, let's say 1 million coins of Terra Classic. Because of recent Terra Classic issues, as a smart investor, what do? I sold out. For example, I sold out 800 coins, then leaving just 200. Okay, so that 800 coins, leaving just 200. The reason for leaving 200 coins is that in case the coin hit 1 cent, I will still make some profit. Though I might not make the kind of profit I would have made before. But to play safe on this type of investment, you need to cash out some of your money. Because if it goes out in a negative way, then you might end up having nothing. But if it goes out in a positive way, you might end up having something for yourself. And even if it did not go out for those ones that sold out, let's say 80%, still leaving 20%, you not end up losing everything totally. This would be my advice for Terra Classic top holders. Once again, remember that we are also planning our second channel, creating our second channel where we'll be talking about how to make good money, and we'll be also interviewing top crypto millionaires and big time investors, how they made their money. Plus, please, I will be posting it very soon on our channel, so you can kindly help us to subscribe to the new channel. Please turn on notification in order not to miss our next videos.